Ahoy, this is Zdenka. This is budget tablet, Chuwi HiPad Pro. Can this handle photo and video editing? What apps can you load on this? And how does this perform? I have a laptop and smartphone already, but there are several reasons why I wanted to have a tablet. First reason is that normally when I'm working and I'm creating those tutorials for you, I wear glasses, and sometimes when I'm doing it on a smartphone, it's just very small. It's quite difficult. So I wanted to have a bigger screen. I wanted Android tablet so I can continue creating these video editing and photo editing tutorials for you. Second reason is that I necessarily don't want to bring my laptop everywhere. So this will be perfect for answering emails, reading ebooks, watching Netflix, YouTube, doing simple tasks on the go. I'm not a computer specialist by any means, so this review will be from a perspective of regular user. Chuwi supplied this product, however, I'm not being paid. There are 3 items I have here: tablet and optional keyboard and pen. The tablet comes with a power adapter and USB-C cable, and you will also find documentations such as warranty card. When you look at the tablet, it has a nice and modern look. The back has matte blue finish, and there is a silver line across. The color is called Morandi. One thing I noticed right away is that you get fingerprints all over quite quickly. The weight is 455 grams, so it is not the lightest of all, but not heavy either. Screen size is 10.8 inch, screen scale is 16 by 10, and resolution is 2560 by 1600, which is 2.5K. It's quite slim, 7.5 millimeters. The charging with this brick I found a bit slow. It took somewhere between 2 to 3 hours. However, once it is fully charged, you get 10 hours. Here's the charging port. There are 4 speakers, 2 on each side. Power button is on the top and the volume button is here. Here is where you can place a SIM card and micro SD card. HiPad Pro features 4G high-speed internet, Bluetooth 5.0, and it supports 2.4G and 5G dual-band Wi-Fi. Tablet storage is displayed on the screen, and it can be also expanded up to 128 gigabytes through TF card. Writing and reading speed and processor is also displayed on the screen. Keyboard comes with a soft fabric magnetic cover. The color is gray. Instructions on pairing the keyboard with tablet are included in different languages. The keyboard is compact, however, it's nice and flat, not raised. The keys are plastic with no backlights. For me personally, I find it quite comfortable. The keyboard is charged with USB-C port and is paired with the tablet via Bluetooth. Next to it is power on and off button. And this is how you place the tablet into the cover. The magnets are quite strong and holds very well. There's one standing position for the tablet, and it's just like this. Let's look at this battery-operated H7 pressure sensor pen. There are 2 pen tips and a pen tip remover in the box. Unfortunately, there is no place to attach the pen to the cover, so you have to keep it separately. All right, let's turn it on. The screen is nice and bright. I find the responsiveness quick. The internet has a great connection and it's quite fast. Well, it should be. We have quite fast internet here, so it should have no problem. It runs Android 11. It has a built GPS, so Google Maps work well. The display quality in this price range is actually pretty good, which is surprising. It's crisp and sharp and has nice colors. It's glassy display, so there will be some reflection when you move it around in certain lighting conditions. Let's test sound, as it has 4 hi-fi loudspeakers and it should be 3D sound. So I'm just gonna play one of my YouTube videos. In photography and video. I read your comments below the videos and I often see, how do you see the shot? Well, let me show you framing and composition techniques, guidelines. Let me just show you the way I do it. It can get quite loud. It sounds pretty good to me. I like the picture quality again. When I'm watching the YouTube video, I have no problem with what I see on the screen. The tablet has 2 cameras. The front-facing camera is 5 megapixels and the back one is 8 megapixels. This is not ready for taking photos and videos. It's not going to pass the bar on this channel. Sorry, I took a few shots of our dog, and my daughter said that our dog turned out to look like a gingerbread man. So the colors are quite off. It's not really that great. I would say that this is good for quick calls or taking a photo and video just for the reference. Now we are getting into the purpose why I personally need a tablet. First of all, there is one feature which I really like, and that one is helpful, and it is screen recording. So you can record audio, you can record show touches on the screen, and now whatever I'm doing should be pretty much recorded from now on. And now whatever I'm doing should be pretty much recorded from now on. I installed all apps I'm using. I've got here Photoshop, Express, Lightroom, Creative Cloud, Snapseed. I also have here Filmora Go, Power Director, CapCut, InShot, and KineMaster. The only app I could not install is Adobe Premiere Rush. It said your device is not compatible with this version, so that was a little bit disappointing. Except Adobe Premiere Rush, all the other apps are working on this tablet, no problem. Let's take a look at photo editing. I open up Adobe Lightroom and I have just a random photo there. And I can tell you that when I was playing with it a little bit, I can see that the colors are great. The sharpness is great. Like, I really don't have any issue with this. This is what I wanted from this tablet, and it can certainly handle this. When it comes to video editing, the same thing. I'm finding that it works well, it's fast response, well, colors are great, no issues. So what video editing tutorials would you like me to create next? Comment below. Bottom line, it does everything I wanted to do. It's great for Netflix, it's great for script writing, it's great for video editing, photo editing. Not being able to install the Adobe Premiere Rush is a little bit of a bummer, but otherwise all the other apps are here and they are working great. For those interested to see the pricing and more information, link to this product can be found below the video in a video description. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative, and don't forget to subscribe for more. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ahoj!